In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Wix. If you want to make text, buttons, images, or other elements clickable on your Wix site, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. Hyperlinks are useful because they help visitors move around your website easily, send them to another page, jump to a specific section, open an external website, or even let them access a document. Once you know where the link settings are, you can apply them in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your Wix site page inside the editor. From there, click on the element that you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be something like a button, a piece of text, an image, or another clickable item on your page. When you select the element, you'll see a row of options appear near the top or around the selected item, depending on the type of element you chose. Next, click the link option in that top row of settings. This is where Wix lets you decide exactly where that element should send people when they click it. After opening the link settings, you'll see several different choices. For example, you can link the element to another page on your site if you want to help visitors navigate between pages. You can also link to a section, which is helpful if you want to send someone to a specific part of the same page or another page without making them search for it. You'll also have the option to link to a web address. This is the choice to use if you want to send visitors to another website outside of your Wix site. Another option is linking to a document, which is useful if you want people to open or download a file directly from your page. Wix may also show additional link types depending on the element you selected, and each link type comes with its own settings, so just choose the one that matches what you want the click to do. Take a moment to review the settings for the link type you picked, since the options can vary slightly. Once everything looks right, your hyperlink is set. And that's it. That's how to create hyperlinks in Wix. It's a simple feature, but it can make your website much easier to use and much more professional for your visitors.